Hi guys, I'm Shamanna Sarkar. Welcome to my channel Net Practice for CSI and NET Mathematical Sciences. Now we are going to solve question number 13 part B from December 2019 NET. In this question they have given us a mapping T from the complex number to the space of all 2 cross 2 real matrices, and the mapping is defined as the image of any complex number Z is the matrix xy minus y x. So we have to identify the false statement here. So now observe the first option. T of multiplication of Z1 and Z2 will be multiplication of TZ1 and TZ2, where Z1 and Z2 are any complex number. Let us take any two complex number Z1 and Z2. Now calculate the multiplication of Z1 Z2 and the result will be this. Now calculating the product of TZ1 and TZ2. This is a basic matrix multiplication and the result will be this matrix, and this is nothing but T of Z1 Z2, because the image of Z1 Z2 will be this matrix. So we have T of Z1 multiplied with T of Z2 is equal to T of Z1 Z2. So this option is true, but we have to identify the false statement, so this will not be the answer. Now check the option number 4. Here in option number 4 we have to check whether the image of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to T of Z1 plus T of Z2. Here T of Z1 plus T of Z2 will be the sum of these two matrices, and the sum of the matrices will be nothing but the image of Z1 plus Z2. So we have T of Z1 plus T of Z2 is equals to T of Z1 plus Z2 for all Z1 Z2 in C. So the option 4 is also true. Now let's check the option number 2. So let TZ be singular. So singular, that means the matrix TZ is a singular matrix, and that is the determinant value of TZ will be 0. This will happen if and only if x square plus y square is equals to 0, and it implies and implied by x is 0 and y is 0. That is if and only if the complex number Z is equals to 0. So we have TZ is singular if and only if the complex number Z is 0. So option 2 is also true. So 3 will be our answer. This option 3 is not true. This is the false statement. We have our answer, but we need to verify how this statement is not true. So in this option they have told us that we cannot find a matrix A for which the trace of the matrix multiplication of TZ and A will be 0 for every complex number Z in C. So let us take a general 2 cross 2 real matrix A, B, C, D and post multiply it with TZ. So we have the matrix which is in this form. Now calculate the trace of this matrix. So the trace of this matrix will be A plus dx plus C minus b y. Now if we choose A is equals to minus d and C equals to b, then the trace will be 0. So if we take A as AB, B minus A, then the multiplication TZ with A will be 0 for all complex numbers. So we have an existence of a 2 cross 2 real matrix for which this statement holds. So that's why this option 3 is false, and this is our answer.